Lordstown Motors to apply for federal funding to increase capacity. A 27-acre scrapyard sells for $13 million. And what will 2021 look like in regard to the pandemic? We ask public health officials in today's Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. Lordstown Motors has received the go-ahead from the U.S. Department of Energy to begin due diligence to possibly secure additional funding. The funding, should it be approved, would come from the Advanced Technology Vehicles Manufacturing Loan, a program started in 2007 to assist emerging companies using advanced technologies. Since the start of the program, more than $8 billion in loans have been distributed. Lordstown Motors CEO Steve Byrne said in a release, quote, "As we've said before, our business model is not reliant on receiving the ATVM loan. The funds would, however, enable us to increase production capacity to get the Lordstown Endurance to more customers more quickly." Lordstown Motors reported Monday it had surpassed 100,000 pre-orders for the electric Endurance pickup truck. Production is expected to begin in September. An auto shredding yard in Girard has been purchased by a New Jersey-based recycling business for $13.2 million. Metallico purchased the 28-acre site just off South State Street from Liberty Iron and Metal. The sale closed December 25th. Metallico also operates recycling sites on Burton Street in Warren, on Dock Street in Sharon, and along Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard in Youngstown. It is Public Health Week here at the Business Journal, and today on our website we have posted the third segment from our Public Health Roundtable held in December. In today's discussion, public health officials talk about how agencies are trying to get the word out and reassure the public the COVID vaccine is safe and that getting it is in the best interest of the whole community. We broke some of those answers out for today's 3 Minutes with Video, where Dr. James Kravick, Columbiana County Health Commissioner Wes Vins, Dr. Michael Bigham, and Dr. George Garrow give their thoughts on how the pandemic will play out in 2021.
Every person that gets vaccinated, that's one less person that we will see potentially in flu clinics and hospitals. And I think we are absolutely going to see a downward trend, but we absolutely cannot let our foot off the gas until a nice portion of the population, and we're not there yet, is vaccinated. So continue social distancing, mask wearing, staying home when we're sick.
You get through something that's really hard. When you come out the other side, you're a stronger family, you're a stronger person. And I think that coronavirus has done that to our community, both narrow as well as broad. We are stronger. I think we will be much stronger coming out of coronavirus because of these relationships.
The health of our community is too fragile at this time with the prevalence of COVID-19 disease. And so I think a very reliable rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine is going to be critical to the sort of the maintenance and strengthening of our healthcare systems and our public health infrastructure, but even beyond that, our community.
The virus is here and everybody's tired. But guess what? This is not political. This is clinical. You know, we have to just hang in there, do public health 101 until, we get the vaccine, enough people in the vaccine in the community vaccinated.
You can hear more in the 3 Minutes with Video, and you can read the full discussion in the story on our website. A $1.3 million renovation at the Hampton Inn on Belmont Avenue in Liberty is now complete. Officials with the hotel cut the ribbon Tuesday for the renovations that saw all 66 guest rooms receive a complete makeover. The project took about 18 months and was actually finished in April, though the pandemic pushed back a formal unveiling. General Manager Julie Mock says the pandemic has caused a decline in business, but that bookings are starting to pick back up. Meanwhile, over at the Calvin Center in Youngstown, owner Aaron Timms is in the middle of giving the multi-use space a facelift. Timms purchased the building on Mahoning Avenue in 2018 and has been working to restore it room by room for the past 2 years. Work is currently being done on the kitchen. The 23,000 square foot building is home to several tenants, including the Rust Belt Theater, Gallery 18 Studio, basketball leagues, and an antique dealer. There is also a space that offers free household goods and clothes for those in need. A $250,000 grant from the Governor's Office of Workforce Transformation will help the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition strengthen its youth outreach. Executive Director Jessica Borza says the money will allow them to do more virtual events and reach more students. And a quick reminder that our biggest issue of the year, the Growth Report 2021, is coming up, and you only have a little bit of time left to take part. Our early bird rates have already expired, but you still have until January 25th to submit your ad, but don't wait that long because space is limited. We are also accepting story submissions for the Growth Report, so send in your story as soon as possible and tell the region how you adapted and grew your business in 2020. There is no cost to submit a story. Links are available in the description for how to purchase ads and submit stories. When submitting a story, please follow the guidelines. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit businessjournaldaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to afterhoursyoungstown.com.